What's up YouTube, Boy G here, back in another video. Today we're going to unbox and test this new headphone that I purchased from Lazada. This is the Sabbat Q12 Jurassic Diary. That is one of the weirdest name that I've seen in an earbud, but this is actually very interesting because this is an open earbud. And I'm actually not really fond with open earbuds because, their quality sucks. But this one is a 5.4 Bluetooth one, meaning it's very, very new, very latest. And it's very interesting. And I know Sabbat produce really high quality earbuds. Their bass, is really good. The sound quality is good. So I'm very interested in hearing this out and testing, seeing if this is good, right? Given that it's also an open earbud. So as you can see with Sabbat, unboxing is amazing. And you do have this manual here. Again, open stereo. We also have this accessories box, which I assume, contains the cable, the USB cable. Oh, it actually contains a pouch, which is very interesting. So you do have a pouch there. And of course, the USB Type-C cable. Nothing else. And then you do have this earbud itself that looks like an egg, right? Is this supposed to be like a Jurassic or like a dinosaur egg or something, like a fossil? But it's very interesting. And it's, interesting. The earbuds actually looks exactly like Sabbat's earbuds, like E12s and X12. But of course, it has this over the top, right, hook on your ear, so it's not gonna fall everything. And the case itself is very interesting. It looks like an egg, so it's just magnetically sticking on the side, and it looks very neat, right? So it's not a traditional like a cover, like a other earbuds, but the earbuds itself is amazing. As you can see, it's gray and black in color, and it absolutely looks like a typical X12 or E12. But again, this is an open ear one. Okay, let's go ahead and check the specification real quick and some of the important details that you should know before buying this one. And then I'm going to test this outside. As a matter of fact, I'm going to use this for like a week, right? Before I will edit this video, and then I'll just put my overall thoughts and review on the end. So again, this is the Sabbat Q12 open ear Jurassic, right? That's the name. But yeah, this is an ultra lightweight feel, advanced design to prevent sound leakage, HD calls with noise reduction for clear audio. We're going to test that later on. 14.2 millimeter large biofiber. So it's pretty good, right, for the actual speakers of it. 6 hours, right? 6+ hours single charge over 24 with a case. 60 milliseconds, latency for gaming, 120 seconds for standard mode, Bluetooth 5.4, again, lossless transmission and stable connection. Open ear benefits is provides better awareness of surroundings, suitable for active wear, unique design for maximum ear comfort. Again, I'm going to test it outside and provide you my overall thoughts about it. But yeah, this is the Sabbat Q12. And it looks like this. You will also, of course, see it, with me wearing it. But let's check the information real quick. The look of it is really interesting. Is that supposed to be like a fossil, right, egg or something? But they offer in a different color, which is amazing, right? You can see the green there is pretty awesome. There's also like a purple one. I just got the black and gray one, which is very classy, at least for me. And yeah, so those are the information that we also got before. Chipset, high sensitive microphone, and chip algorithm. So again, we'll test that later on and see if that is really worth it. And there's also sound leakage. Again, this is an open earbud, right? So I don't know if your surrounding will actually hear you. Deep bass sound, hi-fi quality, Bluetooth 5.4, again, strong endurance, lossless, all of those stuff. All right, so I'm really fond on the looks, right? Because this itself, as you can see, it's just exactly look like, like traditional Sabbat, right? Like Sabbat Q12, or sorry, this is Q12, Sabbat E12 and X12, if I remember. Again, I purchased an E12 before and I absolutely love it. I think I purchased an E12 Ultra or something like that, which is actually amazing. I really love that. So silicon, the hook on the top, we'll test that in a bit, and all of those stuff. So those are the things that we already got earlier. It's pretty cool that they're showing the actual material inside and internal core. So that is the inside itself. Really good page, right? Relatively good page for Lazada. This is from Lazada, their website or their page in Lazada itself, the storefront. But yeah, so those are the shortcuts if you want to kind of like screenshot this or just grab it from the website. Again, LR or left and right short press and any button because it has a button in the middle, right? Now, Sabbat is known on having a physical button, not really like a touch sensitive one, which is good, right? Which actually I prefer that versus touch sensitive. So single press will play and pause or answer, hang up a call, play and pause music, of course. Long press for 3 seconds, it can wake up Siri or your voice, right, assistant. And then if you hold it, it's gonna power on or of course power off for 5 seconds. 4 click, so you can tap it for 4 click, and it's gonna switch to game mode, so game mode, music mode, just to increase the or decrease the latency rather. Double click is next previous song. Volume is the 3 click or three presses on the button, and then either left or right earbud. You can also do 5 switch between Chinese and English bip. By default, it's already in English. So mind you, I think the one at least they got is international model. By default, it's already in English, so you don't need to switch from Chinese to English. It's already good, right? It's already English. So you have this here and all of this information, technical information. You can go ahead and get a screenshot if you want to save this. But if you purchase this, of course, you will also have all of this stuff. All right, let me go out outside and have my walk, and I'm gonna test the microphone as well, and then again use this for 1 week, and I'm gonna tell you my overall thoughts about it. I'll be right back.
My test, testing the microphone right now of this Sabbat Q12. So as you can see, it's pretty noisy. Right now I'm on an oval, running a lot of people here. But hopefully the Sabbath Q12 is canceling some audio. And I'm almost whispering right now so that I don't yell. But hopefully you can still hear me. Mic test again. This is the audio of the Sabbath Q12 open ear earbud. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully you can hear me. Mic test, mic test, mic test, mic test. Again, it's pretty loud here. Notice. So yeah, this is just a microphone test of the Sabbath Q12 open earbuds.
All right, so that is the Sabbat Q12. Again, Jurassic Diary. I don't know why the name says that, but this is the Sabbat Q12. It's kind of perplexing to me that when I Google, I'm not really seeing anything or any review or anything at all for Q12, right? For Sabbat Q12. I think it's very, very new. So I hope this review unboxing will help you if you're into the market looking for an open earbud like this, because this is actually amazing. I think this is not I think, I know this is my favorite open earbuds right now. Again, like I told you earlier, I don't really like open earbud, but this one, I prefer this more than my real earbuds, right? For the sound quality is really amazing. Now, of course, downside for an open earbud, you will hear, environmental sound, the music outside, the noise, but the volume of this is loud enough that it can actually drown them a little bit. I can say it's kind of like in the perfect balance of the noise outside and the clarity for this. So it's very, very good on my daily podcast when I listen to podcasts. For music, it's okay, but I think this is perfect for podcast and voice audio. But yeah, this amazing. And again, this is the Sabbat Q12. I absolutely love this. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any questions, any comment. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. But that's all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and see you on my next one. Peace.